Today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can achieve that flawless glass skin without spending a single naira. Yes, you heard that right. Zero naira. I know it sounds too good to be true, so let's just get right into it. First tip is probably something that you've heard before: hydration. This is worth repeating because it's very important. Before you achieve a glass skin, it has to be something that starts from the inside out. So that means that you have to keep your body hydrated. Water helps to flush out toxins, so it helps you to maintain elasticity and it makes you look plump and very healthy. You might be wondering how much water you actually need. I'm going to be telling you today. A good rule is to at least do 2 liters of water every day. 2 liters is perfect. But you can also listen to your body. If you are thirsty, drink water. If plain water is not your thing, then you can do lemon water or you can add a little mint to it. You can even add cucumbers. You know, when you add a little flavor, it just makes it easier to sip during the day. What makes this very great is that water is free. It's everywhere. You can drink water right now as I'm talking to you. That is the best thing that you're going to do for your skin. So drink water. It costs no money. 0 naira. This is the most effective way of improving your skin. So drink water today. The second tip is something that too many people overlook. So I'm going to be talking about it. A face massage. Simple and no cost technique can do a lot to your face. Chill. I didn't say you should go pay money to get your face massaged or you should get under red light therapy. Massaging your face just helps you stimulate blood flow, and this in turn nourish your skin cells and keeps your skin looking healthy and plump every time. Doing a massage can reduce puffiness and make your face more sculpted. You don't need fancy tools for this, okay? You just need your hands. Yes, I said it, your hands. Here's how you can do it. You're going to start by applying gentle pressure on your face with your fingertips. You're going to massage just with your hands. Then you're going to be moving in circular motions. Now what you're going to be doing is, when you're doing your cleansing in the morning with your face wash or your face soap, then you can do this every morning. You're going to be doing upward strokes that lift your skin and lift your face, and so you can reduce puffiness every time you wake up from bed. It's very essential for like your cheekbones, your jawbones, and yes, to keep your face sculpted all the time. You can spend about 5 to 10 minutes doing this every morning and every night. Not only is this technique free, but it's very amazing because it's a very great way to like relax at the end of a very long day. Next up is a DIY skin hack that costs nothing if you have rice at home. Rice, toner, water. This is like a traditional beauty secret that has been used for centuries, especially in Asian skincare. So you know that rice water is packed with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that are just too fantastic for your skin. It can help you brighten your complexion, it can help you smoothen out your face, it can help you tighten those pores. And that's just about everything you need to get a glass skin look. The last but very important tip that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is sun protection. Yes, now I know how sunscreen is very crucial, but if you cannot afford one or if you cannot buy one right now, let me show you another way to protect your skin from the sun. Now, UV rays are the biggest culprits behind skin damage, so taking steps to shield your skin is very crucial. If you're going outside, try as much as possible to be in the shade always. You can wear long sleeves, you can wear sunglasses to like minimize your exposure to the sun. If you're indoors, please keep your curtains drawn. Please keep your curtains closed. Natural barriers can just go a long way in preventing your skin from having sun damage. This involves 0 naira. Close your curtains when there's harsh weather and the sun is coming in through your window. Keep the curtains drawn. When you're outside, wear protection clothes, sunglasses to minimize exposure, and stay in the shade as much as possible. There you have it, my tips on achieving glass skin with 0 naira. You need to spend a fortune to achieve a glass skin look. You don't have to go out of your way to get expensive skincare products. It's all about using what you already have and be consistent with your routine. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to share to your friends and families because everybody wants to glow, everybody wants to have glass skin. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.